actually right in the heart of Uptown Charlotte. So this is where, you know, like I mentioned in one of my other videos, if you paid attention, where the CBD is, the Central Business District. So it has everything going on here. All your skyscrapers, all your office spaces will be here. Nightlife, everything here. And I am currently right now in their parking lot, their apartment complex's parking lot. So it's kind of empty right now, just because, like I said, this apartment complex is completely brand new. They haven't even done their official open yet. So we just have the special privilege to just come here and view the property. Although it is now open for leasing, but you know, I think they're waiting to do the grand opening probably sometime next month. So let's go ahead and tour this property. So we will be met by the apartment manager, which I'm so excited. I love already the little details, like the flooring here, the Queen City. So if you're new to Charlotte, that is one of our logos here, the Queen, the crown. All right, let's go. Hi.
Welcome to Brownsville, Queen City.
How are you? Good to see you.
Thank you so much for stopping by.
This whole place is so nice.
It's my favorite project, one of my favorite communities in Uptown Charlotte, and it's brand new. So I'll give you a little sneak peek of everything we have going on inside.
Okay.
All right.
And you are?
I'm Marquise. I'm the leasing manager here. All right. This is Brownsville, Queen City, 260 units, the newest community in Charlotte. So without further ado, let's go ahead and check it out.
Let's go ahead and check it out. So has it been a busy day for you?
It's been extremely busy. Like with the new community, it's always something. So what I always tell people is this mailroom is the perfect introduction to what we have.
Okay. I love the mirrors.
Yes.
Very nice touch.
I always say it prepares you for your day.
Yep.
Right? Queen City without like checking yourself.
That's right.
All right. So we have 2 sets of elevators here. So I'll take you up one.
Okay.
But first, let's look over at these amenity spaces.
Sure. Sure.
All right. So a cool thing about our community, we have Queen City Grounds right here, which is a coffee bistro. Some of the best coffee in Charlotte. All right.
Okay.
And a little sneak peek though, little insight. They said they will start serving alcohol. So, all right. And
what about out in the solar room?
Yes,
Will they also have?
Under discussion. I'll work it out for you. All right?
You should.
Only for you.
Who wouldn't want some drinks, you know, like outside? Yeah.
That'll be ideal. All right. So on tours, what I usually like to say is pick your mustache. All right. So each picture is going to have a different mustache. So it's kind of like your personality. Brownstone Queen City is filled with so much different personality, but our theme is Victorian. So it's like
I think I'm more clean.
See, yes. I'll take that one any day.
Yeah.
So right here, our first stop is our work pods, okay? So you have 6 different work pods. You can bring your laptops, you can study, you can take calls, and just work from home. You know,
So it's like an office space?
yeah, it's perfect office space.
Ooh.
Nice and all, so.
Nice. Yeah, this is very nice. If I lived here, I wouldn't ever go to the library.
Right.
Yeah.
Some people get tired of working at home, you know? So you gotta get up the house sometimes.
Especially there's a cafe here, there are work pods.
So
what more do you need? Yeah, and come here.
Well, go work out, get your coffee, and then go to work. Alright, so next we will go to our gym. The place, we need to spend more time. I need to spend more time, but you know.
Listen, after quarantine, I need to spend more time.
we can make something work. Yeah. Okay? Let's do that.
Cool. What do they call it? The quarantine 15?
Yeah.
Yeah, that needs to fall off because.
So our gym is magnificent. It's our take on a CrossFit gym. What I plan on doing in the future is having instructors come and teach us how to use the equipment.
Wow.
There's so many free weights here.
Yeah.
Future equipment comes in, like we have the Pelotons on back order, of course. So
Nice.
Using what we have with like social distancing, we only allow a certain amount of people in here at a certain time.
Okay.
And then like you have to wipe down everything after you use it.
Of course, which you should anyway at any gym.
We'll go right back up.
We can start with the 2-bedroom.
Let's look at the 2-bedroom.
So do you guys have 3 bedrooms or just?
So our layouts start at studios, then we have 1 bedrooms and 2 bedrooms.
Okay.
Studios, square footage wise, start about like 560. 1 bedroom start at 672.
Okay.
And then our 2 bedrooms start at 1,058 square feet.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's still pretty big.
Anything from like 1,300 to 2,600.
Okay.
But we do have some amazing specials. Amazing. Yeah. All right.
Hi guys, thank you so much for taking a tour of this beautiful, luxurious Uptown Charlotte apartment with me. So once again guys, as you know, you've probably seen in this video, this was just highlighting some of the amenities that this apartment has to offer. This apartment, guys, will also be home to Charlotte's first infinity pool. How cool is that? If you want to see more of this apartment, be sure to tune in with me next Monday and Thursday as I take you through the 1-bedroom apartment and also the 2-bedroom apartment. I will also be breaking down, you know, some unique features in each floor plan, as well as the pricing for both floor plans. So see you next week, guys. Remember, you can't lose with AO.
Hey.
Hi again.
This apartment, you have this huge island.
Wow.
This is your South Tryon here. What you have right here, you can either go straight into the city or go further down to the South End area.
Okay.